I don't know. Line is here. I think everyone is here, or at least everyone from every team, right? Yeah. All right, let's start then. What are the news regarding the DevNets?
Yeah. Hey. So not many news or changes. The same issue. We did have the same issues that we reported last week. I'm looking into the Erigon high memory usage based on what Andrew shared that I should check. But besides that, we still have the Erigon Nimbus issue, but just that. Everything else seems okay. So kind of the same status.
All right, thank you. So you were able to run a shadow fork yesterday. That's super exciting. What's the news about this?
Yeah, basically we successfully take the Shiado state. It was a bit old, but still pretty recent, like a week ago or so, and successfully created the beacon chain with the fixes for the beacon Genesis tool we had recently, and yeah, was able to fork in the DNF upgrade. So again, it went well. That means pretty much the contracts, the Mark 1 for the withdrawals and the blobs one are able to work there. And we also tested the clients. We had Erigon for transition since we had the image, so we tested that as well. But yeah, in general, it went well.
That's awesome. So that should mean that everything is going to go well today too, right?
Yeah, hopefully it seems everything's okay.
I'm sure it will. So just to clarify, who's running keys now for Shadow? So I guess Nethermind should be running some, Gnosis are running some, and then Gateway are running some, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So how many are each of you running?
It should be around 5,000 key or like that.
For Nethermind only?
No, I mean, do you mean the nodes or the number?
How many keys are you running at Nethermind?
Oh, it's 1,500 keys.
Okay. Are those all Nethermind or also Erigon?
No, those are only Nethermind.
Okay. Gateway, how many keys are you running?
I'm just checking. Give me please one minute to confirm.
Okay, because I thought it was 2,000 keys last time and we had 6,000. Now it went down a bit. I don't know if you exited them for Chapelle or something for testing. I don't quite remember.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm checking right now.
And then Giacomo, are we running some as well at Gnosis?
Yes, I posted in the chat. I'm checking the exact amount of validators we have. Yeah, it should be between 1,500 and 2,000.
And would that be also just Nethermind or also Erigon?
Just Nethermind.
Ah. Whoops. Yeah, we definitely probably need some Erigon nodes as well, right? And what CL is it for Gnosis? Giacomo?
Sorry, could you repeat? I
was Lighthouse?
some of the stuff in time. Sorry?
Is it Teku or Lighthouse or something else?
Nethermind Lighthouse, yes.
And at Nethermind?
We have one Teku, one Lodestar, and one Lighthouse.
Awesome. And yeah, Gateway, I guess.
For Gateway, we are running 2,665 validators on China.
2,665. Okay.
Yes.
On Erigon or both?
So that's a good question. I'm checking right now all the clients. I have some issues with Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, no, you can also post it in chat, so we can move on, I guess. So yeah, just making sure we have everything ready basically for the hard fork. We should, I mean, depending on how many gateways running, we should probably move a few over to Erigon if we still have time. Might be a bit short. And ideally also add Lighthouse. Sorry, not Lighthouse, Nimbus, I mean. Yeah, Nimbus to the CL nodes, because then we would have all of them and make sure everything works basically. Then I posted, I added a few useful links here. So Forkmon, Forky, it's that's the beacon chain like Dora, the Explorer. Checkpoint Z and Block Scout, of course. So yeah, probably useful for monitoring once the hard fork happens. So I just scheduled a call, I think, for everyone here, or yeah, everyone in the usual core desk call at 19 CT or 18 UTC. So yeah, as I mentioned last week, please have, I mean, someone from all teams present so that we can monitor this. It will potentially be streamed to YouTube, depending on, yeah, I don't know. I have to talk about this with Armand first. But yeah. So is there anything else we need to prepare for Shadow? I know there are a few links from Nethermind as well. I was looking at them in Telegram, but I haven't. I mean, yeah, I have one here, and then Grafana logs. That could be useful as well. Is there anything else we have to prepare? Okay, I guess then we don't have anything missing. So that's good. Yeah, so for that specifically, we'll see then in 5 hours if everything goes according to plan. Regarding Hive tests, are there any news?
Yeah, so Marcos can participate today, and I will take a word. So Erigon withdrawals test suite is fixed, and I guess there are no other updates except that.
Got it. Regarding Shudder, any news?
Yeah, so I'm working on the lit P2P stuff. We're running into a few issues. I'm trying to figure that out. And that's it from my end. And I don't know, Mark, do you have anything?
I mean, the cryptography is largely working now. But I'm kind of speaking to Yannick about some of the details still. Yeah, that's at the moment.
All right. Normal client updates, Nethermind.
No particular updates, just to want to stress that this shadow fork was just an exercise before shadow forking the Gnosis mainnet. Yeah, and probably if everything went smoothly today, the next DevNet will be run on a Gnosis shadow fork. That's it.
So what I didn't understand the first part. So you will be working on a shadow fork for the mainnet after Shadow?
Right.
Shadow. All right, Erigon?
No particular update. All
right, Geth, Guillaume?
Yeah, I'm still at block 1301, but I understand, like, I'm starting to understand what goes wrong. So basically, there are several things. One of them is that EIP 158 is not active, so there's plenty of accounts that are empty that get deleted when they should not be. So that one, I know exactly how to fix it. And the other problem, however, is that there seems to be some contract that get called with the from or the to address, not quite sure at this point, that is just zeros. And I'm trying to understand that because I don't see anything in the Erigon code that where a system call is made with address 0. So yeah, just trying to figure this one out when this is done. Oh yeah, and the good news is I do see the transition being detected and happening, so that's good. But yeah, as long as the incorrect amount of data is stored in the state, it's not going to go any further. So yeah, just asking if around if someone knows where the 0 address comes from. Otherwise, yeah, I'll keep digging with Tanishq and subnet.
Does anyone have any clues? I know there was something about system calls and like the from address, but I think that was related to the differences with the Denkun system calls or something. I don't quite remember. Well,
yeah, I'll just ping people. It's don't worry. Thank you.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. Regarding infrastructure gateway, any news?
Not much. We are ready for the hard fork. We have all the latest version. I can confirm that for Shadow we are running only Nethermind and Lighthouse for validators. For RPC, I think we should run some Erigon nodes, but none for validators.
Okay, so we have no Erigon nodes for Shadow. That's very bad. Can I ask Gateway to run some, maybe half or 1,000 or something like that? Ideally, if we still have time with Nimbus, so that we have all of the clients represented. And Giacomo, please also run half keys on Erigon and also maybe Nimbus or something else. Because yeah, if we don't have Erigon, then that makes no sense, to be honest.
So we want to have this before the fork.
Well, ideally, I know it's going to be
in 4 hours, right?
Yes, in exactly 5 hours now.
I'll try my best, but I can't guarantee anything.
Yeah,
it depends on what the team is doing right now. But yeah, at least we'll try to deliver some keys running Erigon.
Yeah, that would be perfect. Even if it's just one node with 500 keys, whatever, but we need that information for sure.
No, but no guarantee for now. I'll do my best.
Yeah, thank you. Or maybe if at Nethermind you have some capacity to do this, I mean, because it is quite urgent, running some Erigon keys, that would be perfect. We do have 2 synced now, can move some keys to them, that's awesome. And then if someone is able to run Nimbus, that would also, I mean, be for the best, because especially Nimbus has some issues on the DevNet, so it would be interesting to have that information. But I will talk about this internally at Gnosis as well. All right, anything else to address specifically for the hard fork?
Yeah, we are at 80% participation. So who's missing?
Who's lacking?
So according to the Beacon Geyser, the keys labeled as Gnosis have very low participation, but I'm not sure how many keys. Can you share the ranges, Carlos, that you are feeding the Geyser?
Yeah, can I share it? Just 1 sec.
But yeah, at 80% we can finalize, but I don't know. It would be good to be at close to 100 if we are all running the keys.
We'll send the ranges on Telegram.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, so yeah, let's get those fixed. If it's Gnosis, I'll talk with Giacomo about this. But yeah, let's make sure we have a good enough participation and that we are running Erigon and Nimbus and all the keys. Yeah, I hope this is still correct because pretty sure Gateway is running more now. And okay, so 500 got slashed, but that's still then too much, I think. So I mean, too many. So I'm not sure if it's exactly correct. Yeah, if everyone could check which indexes they are actually running, that would be perfect. Then we can I mean, have an up-to-date list. But yeah, let's do that on Telegram. Yeah, if there's nothing else, thanks for joining, and see you in a bit less than 5 hours.
For sure. Thank you all.
Thanks, everyone. See you.
Thank you, guys.